Hello, I'm Paul from ASLdeafined, and I want to talk about the activities. Some teachers were having questions about, do I need to grade the activities? Where are the activities? Let me show you that right now. Once I log into Teacher Defined, and if I were to go to the lesson of colors, and if we were in the regular classroom, I would teach these colors to my students and then have them practice a little bit with the vocabulary words. And then down below, if you scroll down, you will see all these activities that are associated with the lesson colors. And when students complete each activity, that activity is automatically graded and scored through our system, which is really nice. You don't have to correct anything. And then once that lesson or that activity is scored, that will show up on the student's progress chart. It's really nice and convenient. I wish we could take those scores and put it to your grade book. Unfortunately, that cannot happen, not yet. We are working on it, but it's really complicated to actually have ASLdefined to connect to your grading software or program. It's really quite challenging, but nonetheless, it's on the list of new features in the future. But again, and when students complete all activities, they will receive either a green, red, or yellow check mark on the lesson cover. Now, when I say lesson cover, that would be, remember we were doing colors, and right here, this is the lesson cover right here. Oh, not all of them, just that one. So that's the lesson colors. Once they complete the activities, all of them, they will receive either a green, yellow, or red check mark, depending on how well they do. Now, if they do get a red check mark, which means one or more activities is below 60%, they can do it again. And then the check mark will change color depending on how well they do. So if you have any questions about the activities, please let us know, either through email or give me a call. Have the most wonderful day. Bye-bye.